Hey, are you tired of chasing small commissions? Don't worry, in this video I am going to show how to secure $500 plus commissions in 2023 and supercharge your affiliate marketing game. So let's get started. In today's video, I am going to show you the review of Commission GPT. Commission GPT is an AI-powered platform designed to assist affiliate marketers in generating high-value commission. These tools use cutting-edge, natural language processing and machine learning to help you optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns. Now let's talk about the working process, how it works. AI Commission comprises of two robust cloud-based software tools, each crafted to simplify and supercharge your affiliate marketing efforts. With the first tool, you can effortlessly create comprehensive affiliate campaigns by pasting text from any website. It's like having any AI-driven campaign builder at your fingertips, streamlining your work and boost your efficiency. And with the second tool, Launch GPT offers ready-made campaigns for top affiliate programs. It simplifies the process of promoting these programs, making it a breeze to get started. You'll be able to hit the ground and get results sooner. With Commission GPT, you can 1. Steal dozens of DFY campaigns the custom affiliate GPT prepared for you, then clone and tweak them in seconds. 2. Run the GPT builder to make 6 unique bonuses for any offer and watch as the AI builds new and complete products. 3. Your new PDF ebooks and cloud-based, AI-powered software include e-covers and logos, are hosted, plus you own 100% rights and keep 100% of profits. 4. Simply rinse and repeat for any promo, any niche, 24/7. Anytime you need a cash payout with my $1.5 million AI. 5. It offers keyword research and content generation, helping you find the best keyword and create engaging content that converts better. 6. It also provides the competitor analysis, which is crucial for staying ahead in affiliate marketing game. 7. It can generate high-converting ad copy for your campaigns, plus it is very user-friendly. Now let's talk about the bonus part. What will you get if you buy it today? 1. $150,000 in 2023 with AI Case Studies 2023. The year I went all in on AI. I generated over $150,000 in 2023, all using AI, and with a range of AI tools, all of which are automated via Commission's GPT. But, as well as the automation, I'll give you a full case study breakdown on specifically what I did, logging into accounts, showing you over-the-shoulder proof so you can replicate me. 2. The fill-in-the-blanks AI software. While AI can do maybe 90% of the workload, there's still that stubborn 10%. Luckily, I've built over 100x marketing software tools. I'll give you half a dozen of these, which sold over $300,000 and would be $200 plus if bought separately today, which fill in the blanks on any element of my system that the AIs can't do. I toyed with including these as separate upsells, but fair is fair and you can have these on me. 3. Lifetime access to our AI Insiders Club. When you become a Commission's GPT Insider, you'll get lifetime access to our AI Insiders Club. I'm basically living and breathing generative AI at this point, so expect updates, webinars, free training, new software tools, and much more. I find the best way to keep my list happy is with quality content. Trust me, this is going to be a fun year and you have front row seats. 4. Stop the Press's $20,000 giveaway plus reseller bonuses. One of the reasons I'm able to smash launches and affiliate promos so effortlessly is because my bonuses are on another level. Now, as part of the core Commission's GPT app, you get a software that generates these bonus pages for you. But it's worth stating that you also get the bonuses. These are 10 software tools that cost me over $20,000 to build, made me over $300,000 in sales, and are now yours to give away as bonuses, resell in your own packages, or simply use yourself. Now let's come to the final part, that is pricing. Generally, the pricing of Commission GPT is $99, but if you get it today with the link given in the description box, you can get only for $10. That's all about Commission GPT, so guys, don't miss this opportunity of making dollars with affiliate marketing in 2023. Just go to the link in the description box and purchase it. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.